It sure is nice of the Coast Guard chief to assign us the route to Sunshine Meadows. Yes, it is, Lucas. It's a real nice place. Ow, ow, my eye! My eye, I can't see! We need to land. There's a park. We'll sit down there. Pilot, are you okay? No, I'm not. I might have gone blind. I'll call emergency services. This is Coast Guard 6516. We are in Sunshine Meadows Park. My pilot has been hit by a laser. We need an ambulance now. Roger that, Coast Guard 6516. We're dispatching an ambulance to your location. Lucas has just reported that his pilot got blinded by a laser pointer. Right, I'm on my way. All right, I'm here. Let's get the pilot in. Don't worry, pilot. You'll be okay. Now, who would shine a laser? Did you shine a laser at my pilot? Look, it was just an accident. Well, shining a laser at an aircraft is a serious crime. Look, I'm sorry. Sorry is not going to cut it. You'll be hearing from the Coast Guard and the FAA. You made Lucas make an emergency landing, all because you shined a laser. You know darn well that it's illegal to shine a laser at an aircraft. And now Lucas's pilot is in the hospital, and Lucas is stranded here in Sunshine Meadows for a few days. So you're coming with us. Wait, I'm sorry. It was an accident. I can't believe they put me in the impound lot. I brought this on myself, and this is what I get for shining a laser at Lucas's pilot.